Hi, I'm Mike Moe with the Graco Industrial Training Team, and today we're going to be setting up a Stellair paint package. The steps we do today would be used for both the Stellair and the Stellair Ace, but for the video we're actually going to use the Stellair Ace. So we're going to start by unboxing it and getting it out on the floor. All right, so we have the Stellair Ace in the packaging. I'll talk more about that in a minute. We also have both the fluid line and the air line. And today we're going to be using the Triton pail mounted option. All right, so let's get started now that we have everything out of the packaging. I'm going to start by hooking up both the fluid line and the air line. So we're going to bring the fluid line in and we're going to connect it to the bottom of the regulator. And then we're going to bring the air line in and we're going to connect it to the air regulator that has the icon of the spray gun on the top. Okay, the other thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to bring plant air into it, and it's on the back. We've got a shutoff valve, so I'm just going to put a QD on the back. You don't have to use a quick disconnect. You can just secure it with a fitting as well. Okay, now we have all the fittings and the air and the fluid line connected to the pump itself, so we're just going to go ahead and secure those. Okay, at this point, because we have the two lines, the fluid and the air line, that are going to go out to the gun, we want to couple them together, and there's a couple ways we can do it. We can use these hose straps. And you just run a series of these all the way out to the gun. The other option is you can come in with some tie straps and just connect it all the way to the gun using some tie straps. All right, that's it for setting up the pump. We're now going to move on down to the gun. All right, we're going to go ahead and hook up the gun. If you'll notice, we've got a seal that's sealed this box directly from the factory, so you know it has not been tampered with. And there we have the Stellair Ace gun. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to grab the other ends of the hoses that we just connected to the pump. These are quick connect fittings with seals designed to be hand tightened directly to the gun. So I'm first going to connect the fluid, and then we'll do the air. All right, last thing to do is we're going to bring in the plant air supply, and then we'll connect our ground. All right, so we already installed the fitting for the air quick connect, so we're just going to bring in the air line. And the ground wire is already connected to the Triton pump, so we're just going to run on over and connect this to a true earth ground now. Okay, so now our Stellair Ace Triton pail mounted package is set up and ready to go. In another video, we're going to show you how to set up the gun.